Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. Went to Dollar Tree to start looking for some school supplies, and there's a lot of noise downstairs. How are you guys doing? How is everything coming along? I'm getting ready for back to school, getting a variety of supplies out of the way now. Started looking for uniforms, so on and so forth before the major hit actually occurred. And I also went and picked up other things. So right now I have a total of 3 bags, and I'll let you guys know what I got in no particular order. The first one I got was the Harvest Hill Light and Fluffy Pancake with Waffle Complete. I've never tried this, so I was going to attempt to see if the kids enjoyed it. I also got the Lay's Stack. This is the sour cream onion. My oldest son likes this, so I went and picked it up. I got the Post-it notes. It's actually for me. I got the chicken wing sauce. I got some chicken wings, so I'm going to marinate these overnight with the meat that I have, and I'll probably put them in the grill. So I was like, why not? This looks pretty good, so I went and got it. I also got the Big Pencil Extra Life for my kids. And I also got another bottle of the chocolate flavored syrup. My youngest son loves it a lot for the evening, nighttime frame with milk. Alright, get to the second bag. I went and got myself some hangers for their new uniform. I got 2 of those. I also picked up the bleach tablets to drop in the bathrooms downstairs. Also, I got this, I had the last haul, I had picked up colognes that smelled pretty amazing for the kids to wear for the summer. And I also picked this one up. This one I haven't picked up before. This is the Giorgio Armani. And we'll see if they like this one too. And I got the, for my youngest son, the Nickelodeon Paw Patrol. This is new, 4-in-1. So I can't wait for him to try that. And I also got the Mickey and Roadstar Racers. That comes in 4 as well. And my last bag, for cleaning supplies, I got this citrus coconut. I had got the spray, and the spray is really good. It's in my bathroom, so I decided to get this to bathe the kids with. See how that goes. And I got the Fabulosos Complete. I got the purple one last time, so I picked up the green just to try it out. And my final item is going to be the Tide Plus 4-in-1 multi-surface cleaner, refresh lemon scent. Right, and my bill came up to $15. So proud of myself. And you guys, that is my small Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys are enjoying the summer. Hopefully you guys are keeping cool because it's hot everywhere. If I'm saying it's hot here, I know it's burning hot everywhere else, especially if you guys are nowhere near water and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys are trying to keep cool and things of that nature, and continue on being a blessing to others. I will talk to you guys very soon.